Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Naren Vlogs and Tech. This video is about ESR HaloLock, which is a universal MagSafe ring. I'll be covering the unboxing, overview, installation tips, and usage or benefits of it. Please support the channel by subscribing and click on the notification icon for future updates. So let's continue with the unwrapping part. Comes in a simple cardboard packaging with tapes around it. I bought this from Amazon for about 680 rupees. Yes, and this is where the alignment clip is placed. Alignment clip is made of plastic. Top part is for iPhones. Bottom part is for Samsung devices with wireless charging. Keeping it aside, I'll be installing it on my iPhone 13 case, and the model name is Unicorn Beetle Style Series. It is from a very reputed international brand and they manufacture cases for multiple devices. This specific case for my iPhone I bought for rupees 1300 from Amazon. I will be posting the links in the description if you guys want to check it out. This case provides military grade drop and impact protection without compromising the looks in any manner. And I've been using it from several months and I'm loving it. If you guys are interested, please check it out. Now let's continue. It opens up like a booklet. Right hand side you will find two MagSafe rings, a grey colored one and a silver colored one. And the middle part you will find do's and don'ts during the alignment and installation. Left hand side you will find a QR code which will take you to a web page with instructions for installation. You will also find a sleeve which has one single wet wipe and a dry wipe. They should have given a pair of them because there are two rings up here. Let's keep it aside. They have provided two alignment guides, one for iPhones from iPhone 12 series to 14 series. It has all the markings and punch holes to place and align the alignment clip based on the device which you want to install. Very much clear, very simple. Place the alignment guide, insert the alignment clip based on the port, whether it's a lightning port or a Type-C port, and align the alignment guide on the punch holes. As simple as that. And install the MagSafe ring. This is a Samsung one with multiple Samsung devices mentioned with all the pre-cut punch holes in it. The MagSafe ring or this particular ESR HaloLock ring opens up a huge horizon of accessories which are definitely every customer would love to try, right? Because it's an option given. Now let's check out a few of them. Let's search for MagSafe accessories, right? You'll find wallets. Now you can see the ESR HaloLock universal ring, speaker MagSafe stand, wallets, AC car mounts, support rings, official MagSafe charger by Apple, quite expensive, ESR charger, MagSafe charger, stands, different types of magnetic rings, Belkin car mounts, AC car mounts, standalone stands, wallets, chargers, standalone or combination with Apple Watch, AirPods with wireless charging case. There are many options available on Amazon, Flipkart, and other stores as well. And with this ring, when you attach it to a certified MagSafe accessory, you will still be able to see the MagSafe animation. Nothing to worry. It's a wallet again. The official Apple wallets are quite expensive. Third-party ones, you can find a lot of them. This is again a dashboard mount. And you have multiple options in terms of MagSafe battery packs as well. Quite unique and compact, very functional. Now we'll search for a different accessory now. Let's say chargers. What are the options available? Official charger, Apple one, ESR, you have Unigen, you have Rager, you have Elersante, lots and lots of options. Even Cubo as well, it's a Hero subsidiary. And within that, even you have multiple options, standalone, only for iPhones, or with combination. Yes, there are many options like that. You guys can check it out. And they're quite functional, unique. Now let's search for power banks, the Magsafe one. Ambrain one you will find for about 2000 rupees, which is out of stock on Amazon, but the reviews are mediocre. Belkin's you have good review but quite expensive. Anchor power banks with Magsafe, I don't think so they're officially available in India, because which are listed on Amazon, they're very, very expensive. This is how it looks post aligning the Magsafe ring, and this is post installation. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon for notification, and please share your feedback through the comments. Thank you so much, guys.